भारत देश की संस्कार, परंपरा और त्योहार लोगों को एक दूसरे के नजदीक लाने का कार्य करती है और उन्हीं त्योहारों में से रंगों का त्योहार होली। Hello friends, this is Amisha, first year journalism honors, and in this video I will try to educate, inform and entertain you all about the festival of color Holi.
Right now I am informing about modern Holi is proving fatal to our nature and environment. In the changing circumstances, the tradition of Holi is no longer so beautiful as it is used to be. The increasing use of water, wood and chemical dyes is contaminating its appearance. Environmentally conscious people are trying to do this, but in spite of this, waste of thousands of quintals of wood or millions of liters of water and chemicals, dyes are affecting the health and environment of human beings. Nowadays, Holika is lit in every street and hundreds of tons of wood are used. An average of 2.5 quintals of wood is burnt in a bonfire. If we calculate the number of Holika Dahan burning in a city, about 12 lakh kg of wood is burnt on Holi every year. Burning millions of quintals of wood every year on Holi like this is worrying. Whereas in the olden days, it was customary to burn wood from house to house. No festival can remain free from market influence. Due to this, the nature of Holi festival has also changed. Now instead of nature colors, chemicals are used. Cold thanda instead of intoxicants. And folk music have replaced filmy songs. The mixing of chemicals in the color is the act of dissolving the color of Holi. Do you know to what extent we waste water on Holi? Of course, 2/3 of the world is wet with water, but despite this, the storage of drinking water is everywhere. It is estimated that everyone playing Holi spends 5 times more liters of water than daily. From this, it can be estimated how many gallons of water is wasted during playing Holi in the whole area. Let me educate you now how we play Holi, which neither we nor our environment have any harm. Now the time has come that mass Holika Dahan should be done at every intersection. Another option is that our country is full of vast wealth of agricultural livestock. There is cow dung due to the abundance of animals here. According to Madhya Pradesh Gopalna and Promotion Board, 15 lakh kg of cow dung is released daily from livestock available in Madhya Pradesh. 5 cons can be made from 10 kg dung. That means 7,50,000 cons can be made in state every day. Therefore, the initiative of a social concern by burning cons instead of sticks should be taken on a wide scale, so that cutting of trees can be stopped and environmental damage can be avoided. If we talk about colors, do you know that the black color we use on Holi is prepared from lead oxide? It is a risk to the kidney. Green color is made of mercury sulfide, which can cause skin cancer. There are many chemical dyes that harm health, so we have to think that natural colors should be used to color your loved ones. One Holi festival which is neither harmful nor harm the environment, and we should not use water at all to play Holi, and we should not use the environment consistent. Holi should be played, and if we want to keep the environment pollution free, then we should also adopt organic Holi early and can take a step towards conservation of nature for the better. Now I have entertained all of you and brought such games in front of you, which you can entertain by playing with your friends in Holi. First is play Tambola. When you visit your friends and family, you all them gather and can play Tambola. This is the most popular game among showmen, which they prefer to play during their kitty parties. Let your partners also play these interesting games and you can award the winners with some interesting gifts. Second is fun art game for children and adults. This game can be played in your office as well as in your house party. Make a fun wall and ask people to splatter colors on it. You could also provide them sponges, pens, etc. so that they can show their creativity. The winner can be awarded exciting gifts. Third is an art competition. Keep a theme and ask the participants to draw or paint according to that theme. Fourth is a Holi party. Keep a Holi party at your place and decide a theme. You can ask your friends and family to dress up preferably with clothes. Play organic color. Fifth is Antakshari. Play Antakshari, the most common game that is played in almost every Indian wedding. Sixth is Tug of War. You can also play some traditional games like Tug of War. Make two teams and let them show their strength. Seventh is Keep Cooking competition. You know all about the competition. And eighth is Bucket Blast. Ninth is Save the Water. This game will encourage saving water. You have to give a bathing mug filled with colored water to the player, and player has to jump 6 times where he is starting holding and the mug filled with colored water. The one who successfully avoids piling of water or the most water left in the mug wins the prize. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.